Hello guys, these are the activities for this week. I hope you're doing a great family time together. The best way to predict the future is to create it. In the page 221, find out what activities are organized in your town on Earth Day. List them below. And you got an example here, conferences and lectures on environmental awareness. Next to that, we got why do we have Earth Day only once a year? Wouldn't it be better to have an Earth Week marathon? To help your town coincide with Earth Day, think of action events and activities that can be carried out in your neighborhood during Earth Week. Earth Week Marathon to raise people's awareness, tower environmental protection measures and actions. And we got here, welcome to Earth Week Marathon, day 1, and in the day 2 we got an example, plant a new tree in your neighborhood. In the page 222, read the letter and circle the correct answers. We got number 1, Andrew is addressing his neighbors to inform them about the effects of light pollution, persuade them to replace the bulbs, address health and mold issues. And the answer is B, persuade them to replace the bulbs. Next to that, we got read the letter again and write the effects light pollution has on different creatures. We got an example here for people, depression. In the page 223, the text on page 222 include one environmental problem caused by individual actions. Which other environmental problems can be caused by individual actions? Use the graphic organizer to answer. We got an example here, individual action, use of car, and smoking. That cause environmental problem, air pollution. Make a list of solutions to this problem using the ANT list below. Each solution should start with the corresponding letter, just like the examples. A. Artificial Christmas trees. B. Buy local products. In the page 333, we got activity 1 review. 4 negative effects of light pollution are mentioned in the letter on page 222. List them in order of importance according to your opinion. And we got an example here. Photosynthetic process is slowed down. For the activity 2 transform it, read the letter on page 222 again and answer the questions. Number 1, what street is mentioned in the letter? Elm Street. Activity 3, in what other ways besides writing a formal letter could Andrew try to solve the light pollution problem on his street? He could also try to talk to as many of his neighbors as he can. He could address authorities directly. In the activity 1 review, what questions do you have about global environmental problems? Write them below. And we got an example here. In what ways can paper waste be globally reduced? For the video conference class, we got this activity, presentation. Make a PowerPoint presentation about the topic saving the planet. Instructions. Number 1, 5 pages minimum. 2, include pictures and information. 3, the information must be concise. At the end, answer the next question. How can I help to save the planet? That's all for this week, guys. Take care and remember, stay at home. Don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. Goodbye, guys.